I choose England. I still hate myself because of that.
The UK is fine as well.
Yeah, I prefer
It's
like.
perfect.
I wish I choose like.
But then I just remember Mark Twain.
No, I don't.
I learned
At his
German
time,
language one
he
year
wrote a
in
book,
school.
his travels in
They
Europe.
built like a car in
And he apparently he was in different countries, and he also passed by Germany, and he came back quite frustrated. And it's still in his book from travels in Europe. He said, "Well, you can learn English in 30 days, you can learn French in 3 months, but you can't learn German in 30 years."
Why is that?
Well, ask Mark Twain. Apparently, he was not very super impressed by German.
What do you think about Chechenian accent? That?
Chechen accent.
Yeah,
Wait,
I would say, I don't know if you've heard Chechen language,
Well,
but
it's very difficult for me since I'm just 1 week here. I
Maybe
try
it's-
to get a little bit to learn what is the roots, the origin of Chechen, but even our Chechen guys and
I think it's-
oh well, it's not
similar
similar to
to
Do
anything.
you know Chechen guys?
I think it's similar to Russian accent.
To Russian?
No,
No,
not at all. Not at all.
because I know it's Chechens who live in Germany. It's been said that their kids they don't have that hard time learning German because it's some of the sounds are very similar to the German sound.
Yes.
I don't know if you had experience that, please don't.
It will be easier for Ingushetian people. They probably have a really similar accent. Have you heard the Ingushetian language?
English language is the
so-
only language that's related to Chechen language.
They're similar, but they're not same.
But they're saying
They're like Ingushetian is more strong, more tough. I like it because I like to hear like Ingushetian
but they're
language.
from the same family of languages. With
Yes,
English, they are the only people.
No, it's not. We have a difference, like Russian language and Ukrainian language. Sometimes Russian people don't understand Ukrainian people, but they probably have like similarities. The same here. Like sometimes I don't understand Ingushetian people when they talk. I understand some of the words.
I guess
Idea what they're talking about, like what, like something like this.
I guess you don't understand English people from Nazarene because they speak faster, quicker, and actually I'm English, but sometimes it is difficult for me to understand people from Nazarene because they speak very quick, very fast, you know.
It's not so big problem because if you live in Ingushetia,
See, he started to speak English.
Yeah, go on, continue.
Miracle.
Actually, I like most English Highlanders to speak language. They do it slowly and in a noble way. So.
Wow.
Something in English.
I understand you, no problem.
No, I don't like this. It's more soft. I like a hard.
Actually, I'm English, but English people say that I have a Chechen accent.
Oh yeah.
You see, so this is my problem. I do read in English, but nevertheless they say no, something wrong with your speaking.
But you speak Chechen.
Yes, I do, and English.
Are you mixed?
Yeah. My mother is Chechen, and father is from Ingushetia. He's English. And actually,
Speaking Russian.
yes, I do Russian. And actually, I have some cousins there are some relatives on my father's behalf who also have Chechen mothers. And from my mother's behalf, I have cousins who have their mother's English. You know, it's
Mixed race.
yeah. And one of my relatives who is English. His father is English, mother is English, and once he said, he complained, "I'm tired of you. So once we cross the border, you speak Chechen. Once we back, you speak English." So, he said that we switch our nationality from one to another very quickly. No, for us, it's quite natural.
Yeah, I think so. It's just like, for example, for us, when I'm in Italy, if I am in my hometown, I speak half dialect and half Italian. With my family, I speak in dialect, not in Italian. But if I speak with if I talk with somebody else, I speak Italian. And when I was living in the north, and somebody was asking me to say something in my dialect, it was very difficult to me to find the word because it was not so automatic, you know. So I had to say, what's this in my dialect? But it is very automatic when I'm in my hometown. So it's kind of...
No, it's weird. Like, I keep forgetting that Europe, or the countries, for example, Germany has not just only German language, it has so many, like, the kind of different native languages that are...
I guess I'll stop.